Hi guys, this video will show you how to tie a knot for an adult tree swing. In our garden, the tree branch is perpendicular to the seat rather than parallel. This provides some challenge in making the swing more stable and secure. First, you must have a strong rope and loop around the tree trunk at least twice to prevent the rope moving forwards or backwards while swinging. Make sure the length of the rope is even on both the sides. Now, we need to connect the rope to the seat. The challenge here is that we have one rope, but we need to connect it to two corners on the other side. Here, we have used hooks, but other methods can also be used to attach the rope to the seat. To divert the single rope in two directions, we need a small tube. The tube I have used here is cut from a strong PVC pipe with a diameter of roughly around 3 to 4 centimeter. The length of the tube should be around 5 to 6 centimeter. If the edges are sharp, file the edges to avoid cutting the rope. You can use other materials to create this tube as long as it is strong. Now we will tie the knot. Place the seat on a support parallel to the ground and at a stable height. Make sure to tape the edge of the rope so it becomes easier to insert into the tube. Insert this rope from above the tube and set the height of the tube at least 50 cm above the seat. Then make a loop through the same tube and tighten to secure. Now bring the rope down and insert into the first hook and tighten it so that the rope is straight. Then secure the rope to the hook with a simple knot so that the seat will not topple. Then insert the rope through the second hook and tie another knot. Now insert the rope back into the tube from below. Also see if the triangle created is even on both sides. Pull ropes on either side to adjust as required. Then insert the rope again into the tube to make another loop to further secure the rope to the tube. Now, even if you pull the rope, the seat will not move or fall. Thank you for watching.